It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Ravi Yaku, and in today's video, you are going to learn step by step on how to hide your videos, photos, and documents on your Android phone in order to keep your media and documents in privacy. A step-by-step tutorial on your Android phone. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Android tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to hide your photos, videos, and documents on your Android phone without any stress. So let's begin. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your Play Store. Okay, so click on your Play Store. On getting to your Play Store, make sure you click on Search Apps and look for one gallery. Then click on Search. So the one you are going to download is this one right here, One Gallery Encrypted Photos. So this is the app we are going to use to hide your photos and videos or documents in your Android phone. Okay, so what you need to do is to make sure you just download and install the app. So you can see about 500,000 people have been successful download and use this app. Okay, so after you have successfully download the app, next thing you want to do is to click on Open. So it takes you straight to your album. Then from the top right here, you have your photo album, you have your video album, you have your favorite. Then the next to it here is padlock sign. This is allow you to hide the photos or videos in your Android phone. So I'm going to click on this padlock right here. Then we will be asked to enter our email address. So just enter your email address. Having entered your email address, click on Next. Then they will send a code to your email address. So let me check my mail. So here is the code. So here is the code. I will just select and copy the code. Then I'll go back to the app right here. I will click and hold down. I will paste. Then I will click on Login. Then at this point here, we need to set up a password or pattern to access the folder. So I will go with PIN right here. Then I'll enter my access PIN. Then retype the PIN or the password. So for you to add a new item, just click on these three dots at the top. Then click on Create Album right here. Then name the album. Then click on Create. So it takes you right here. So what we want to do now is to select an image. So I'm going to select this. I will just click and hold down, select as many as possible image. Okay. Then once you select all the image you want to secure, click on Move. Okay. So I'm going to click on Move. Then item 6 was selected. I'll click on Move. Okay, so we can close this window. So let's, for instance, we want to add video into this album. So for us to do that, we just need to locate where we have video in our folder. So I have one video here. I will click and hold down. I will click on Move. Then click on Move. It has been moved successfully. Okay, so we can close this tab. Then we can simply go back. Now we have our album right here. We have 7 items in this album. We have 1 video and then 6 photos. So let's quickly go back to the app. So by the time we want to reaccess this particular folder, what we need to do is to locate the app icon on our phone. So here is the app icon, One Gallery. I'm going to click on it. Then I will have to head over to the padlock section. Then I will enter my login password. Then we have access to our picture and then video are the like. So you can also add documents into this folder. So this is how to hide your photos and videos or documents in Android, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Android tricks. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.